Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP with an interesting case study in today revolving around this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This particular one's 2014 with a starting issue. The car was driving, it's had some intermittent starting issues over the last few months but eventually stopped. Cranking over but not firing. It was coming up with a fault code in relation to a P033660, which is a crankshaft position center type fault code. So having a look at it, had low battery voltage codes in it as well. I had been to another shop, so we weren't too sure. We've cleared the code, just checking it out now, cranking over, no injection pulse, no pressure, so we're not getting any fire up. It will start very, very slightly on aero start, it will quickly start up. We're looking at wiring diagram, we checked our crank angle sensor, our power supply, good 5-volt feed, good ground, but our signal wire was not changing under cranking, so definitely a problem in that area. Once we pulled the reluctor wheel out, there was a problem in that area, and this is a picture of the actual reluctor wheel and sensor, and the problem was down in this particular sensor, and we replaced the reluctor wheel as well. Once that was replaced in, away it went, and she was all set to go. Again, that's another one of our repair solutions. Again, if you remember, make sure you're utilising the database. Go into the database, check if there's been any common issues or faults that other members have struck with your particular problem or make or model vehicle. If you're not a member, you'd like to join up, again, go to tap.net.au, click up on the Join Up Now button. What you'll get access to is all our data on our database as well as our magazine 6 times a year. We've got thousands and thousands of repair solutions, good scope scan data, oscilloscope readings, crank correlation readings as well, and lots and lots of information. So it will be a great use to you. Just go to tap.net.au and join the many other thousands of other technicians that are sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.